Hello, what's up, guys? Today we are going to learn our next topic. Our next topic is after covering our motion chapter, most of the part like of the motion chapter, we have covered the distance. We have covered the distance, and then we have covered the displacement. Then we have covered the displacement. After covering displacement, we have covered average speed, and after covering average speed, we have covered average velocity. So let's do a quick recap. So what is motion? Motion is a body in a movement. So like I am traveling from A point to C point, and there is between a B point, and if I am traveling, so if I am traveling and I am doing any motion, any movement, in that case I am in motion. So this was the basic definition. After that, what is distance? Distance is the length traveled. Distance is the length traveled by an object in a particular amount of time. Like there is the length x, there is the length x, and there is the time y. So object covering x length in y time is known as the distance. It is known as distance. So this is the basic definition. Now we will talk about displacement. So what is displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance. It is the shortest. What is this? Shortest distance between 2 points. Between 2 points. It is the shortest distance between 2 points. So this is displacement. So what is the equation to do displacement? So like this, I have to travel from A to C, and there is a point B, so I will travel all the way from along here to here. But what is displacement? We can also travel like this, so this will be our displacement. So if a question like this given to you, and they have given the length here and length here, so find how to displacement. So it is very easy. First we will write there AC square. AC square means we have to go from A to C, but there is a point B, so we can go directly like that, and this directly is called AC square. So AC square is equals to AB square, AB square plus BC square. So after this, so like if let's take an example, 5 plus 10, then we will do the square of it, and it will turn out to be 25 plus 100, and after it 125, and we will do the root square of it, and after doing the root square we will get the answer. So the answer will be our displacement. So let me ask you a question. If a ball goes up and then comes down on the exact same point, so what will be its displacement? So what will be its displacement? So its displacement will be 0. Like for example, it is a circle. I start from here, run all the way along the circle, travel 1 kilometer, and after traveling 1 kilometer I am back to the point. So what is the displacement here? So the displacement will be 0, because our final position is equals to our initial position. And if your final position and your initial position is same, then the displacement will always be 0. So after this, we understand the average speed. So what is average speed? So speed is the amount of time taken to travel a particular length. It is speed, calls as speed. The amount of time taken to travel a particular length is called as speed. So how to find an our average speed? Like this is an example: A to B and then to C. It is called A to B and then to C. Then it is of 5 kilometers, and it is of 5 kilometers, but it take 2 minutes and it take 4 minutes. So we will do the calculation here. It take 3 minutes, like so. The average speed is equals to TD upon TT. This is the easy way method to learn it. TD means total distance and TT means total time, and total distance is 5 plus 5 kilometers, which is equal to 10 kilometers, and after that it is 4 minutes and it is 3 minutes. Don't forget to write the values: kilometers, minutes and minutes. So it will become to 7, and if we then we will do our division. So the answer we will get will be 1.42 kilometers per minute. So this is our average speed, and then average velocity. For distance we have speed, and for displacement we have velocity. And velocity also tells the direction, but speed doesn't tells the direction. So if velocity, let's give the displacement of 4 kilometers, and the time taken is like the time taken is 10 minutes. So what will be its velocity? So we will divide and we will get the velocity. So like if I am traveling 40 kilometers is my displacement, and I am traveling it in 10 minutes, so the answer will be 4 kilometers and minute. This is my average velocity. For average velocity we will write total displacement is equal to like 40 plus 40 is equals to 10 plus 20, so is equals to 80 plus 30, and from 0 to 0, and then we will divide 3 by 8, and 2s are 6 and 2.6. So the average velocity will be 2.6 kilometers and minute. This will our average velocity. So we had a quick recap, and now let's move to our last and final topic of this chapter: acceleration. So what is acceleration? So acceleration is 20 kilometers. Like acceleration is to the velocity and speed. Like I'm traveling on this road. Okay, this is the road. So here I am traveling with a bike of speed like 40 kilometers. Here it is of 10 kilometers. Here the speed is 40 kilometers, and there the speed again goes to 20 kilometers. So can you see, from 20 kilometers to 10 kilometers there is an deceleration. Means like if I buy something of 500 and I sell it into 400, so my 100 will be loss. So minus 100 I will get. So the minus 100 we can call it deceleration, because like आपकी value घट रही है, आपकी value घट रही है, and then if the value increases, if the value decreases, then it is deceleration, and the value increases, then it is acceleration. So when I goes climbs, then it's 20 kilometers, then 10 kilometers, and then 40 kilometers. From 10 kilometers to 40 kilometers, this is an acceleration of 30 kilometers. So this is the value. So how to find the acceleration? So first we will take the velocity and divide it by the time given time. So by this method we can find the acceleration, and there are many ways to do it, like final velocity minus initial velocity is also equals to the acceleration. So like final velocity is 40 kilometers and the initial velocity is 20 kilometers, and travel the time taken is say 10 minutes plus 10 minutes. So the answer will be 20 kilometers divided by 20 minutes, which is equals to 2 kilometers a minute. So this will be our acceleration. So I hope you understand the concept of acceleration, and we done a quick recap of all the things in the motion chapter. So in the next video we are going to discuss some questions related to this chapter. So goodbye, take care, and Jai Hind.